for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.